Lemon chiffon cake is a type of cake that originated in the United States in the 1920s. It was invented by a Californian named Harry Baker in 1927. Baker was a caterer and an insurance salesman. With a passion for baking, he developed the recipe for chiffon cake, including the lemon flavor variation. What set chiffon cake apart from traditional sponge cakes at the time was its use of vegetable oil instead of butter or shortening, and the incorporation of beaten egg whites for lightness. This resulted in a cake that was exceptionally light, moist, and tender. Harry Baker kept the recipe a closely guarded secret for many years, only sharing it with close friends and family. However, in 1947, he sold the recipe to General Mills, which later published it in a Betty Crocker cookbook in 1948. Lemon chiffon cake quickly gained popularity due to its delightful combination of tangy lemon flavor and light, fluffy texture. It has since become a classic dessert enjoyed by many around the world. Lemon chiffon cake, like many lemon-flavored desserts, can offer some potential health benefits, though it's important to remember that it's still a dessert and should be consumed in moderation. As part of a balanced diet, here are some potential health benefits. However, it's important to note that lemon chiffon cake, like any dessert, is still a source of sugar and calories. Moderation is key, and it's best to enjoy it as an occasional treat rather than a regular part of your diet, especially if you're watching your sugar intake or trying to manage your vitamin C. Lemons, which are a key ingredient in lemon chiffon cake, are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps boost the immune system, promotes skin health, and aids in wound healing. Antioxidants. Lemon zest and juice contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants may have potential benefits for heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Low in fat. Chiffon cakes are typically made with vegetable oil rather than butter, which can result in a lower saturated fat content compared to traditional butter cakes. This can be beneficial for heart health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Mood enhancement. The scent and flavor of lemon are often associated with feelings of freshness and cleanliness. Some studies suggest that citrus fragrances may have mood-enhancing properties, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Portion control. Chiffon cakes are light and airy, which can help with portion control compared to denser, richer desserts. Enjoying a small slice of lemon chiffon cake can satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging in calories. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like, subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.